This here is the most scrumptious parcel you'll ever open.
Perfectly steamed cod with herbs, wine, and butter.
Topped with some fresh lemon juice.
This restaurant quality dish can be on your table in less than 30 minutes.
And it will be.
It's amazing.
I love a dish that is so dadgum good and so easy.
Easy.
And so tell them what it's called.
So this is en papillote, which means in parcel or in parchment.
That's the Loon's very French way of speaking.
En papillote.
But it is brilliant. It is a brilliant technique.
Fish en papillote or cod, which is what we're using.
Cod, yeah.
And so I'm going to make the bag, and what we want to do first is get we have two pieces of cod. So I've got two parchment papers, a little oblong, not quite square. I think this is about 16 to 17 inches long.
Yeah, roughly 15 by 15.
So I'm just going to fold this in half like this, like so.
Are you going to make a heart?
I'm going to make a heart, y'all. Isn't that
so
wonderful?
Sweet. And I want to do this on Valentine's Day.
Yes. So I just want to make sure that crease is nice and visible.
Crease.
All right, now I'm going to cut a heart.
Yay.
Here we go, people.
Those of you who love seafood like we do, you are going to flip for this dish. It's perfect for Lent or the last Friday of Lent, which is about to happen. And you can really go with whatever fish you like. I mean, we're going with cod. It's not fishy tasting. It's affordable. It's delicious. But you could do halibut, snapper is so good, grouper. Anything really that can be steamed is going to be working.
Exactly.
And you can do any combination of herbs, vegetables. It's just so versatile.
Look at my heart.
That's perfect, Wesley.
Chris,
I love it.
Isn't that great?
No.
Isn't that great?
That's great.
All right, so I want you to put that fish right there on this side of the seam.
So we've got, this is about a 5, I don't know why I'm doing it that way. I've got like a 4 to 5 ounce fillet of cod. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now just
put some butter.
Season it with some, season it with a little salt and pepper.
Butter goes on here shortly.
We'll hit it with some more.
Oh, wait, Chris, do you want to put some
yes,
those onions underneath?
Yes, that's a good idea. So, all right, I got clean fingers here. We're gonna
onions.
I know, Wesley.
Oh, that's right.
Boy, we've never done this before.
Very bossy. Hey, I'm in the driver's seat today.
I know, and I'm a little scared. Okay, so we're gonna, all in all, each fillet is gonna have about a tablespoon of butter. So I put, say, a quarter tablespoon underneath there. We put some chopped red onion on that, and what that does is this just steams. The French are so brilliant in coming up with this. That it steams in the paper like no other method I've ever seen. It's just incredible.
So easy too.
So I've got some sprigs of fresh thyme here. We're going to go with 2 sprigs of that.
And you can use. Did you say you can use whatever you want?
Yeah, I mean,
you can put some mushrooms in here, some black olives, some.
Zucchini, squash. Again,
it's all good.
Like I said, anything that can be steamed, and you're not going to believe how quickly it steams. So that's the rest.
Is that enough butter?
That's the rest of the butter. Okay, this will be yours. We'll do a little extra. I got a tablespoon. I cut it into thin slices. Okay, so now we've got just a little bit of good quality.
Yay.
You don't want to skimp on these ingredients because they're few and far between. So this is some good olive oil. You could do extra virgin olive oil. That's probably about a tablespoon. Don't go overboard because all of this, the fish, the vegetables are going to release some liquid itself, and that's what makes it steam so beautifully. So that's about a tablespoon of good quality white wine.
All right, folks, here I'm going to fold the pouch.
And that's all there is to it. So we've got our oven we got to watch this.
Yeah. So what you want to do, and I think everybody can see me up top. Here we go. I'm just going to do just a bunch of fold-overs and make sure that they're all folded over each other.
You fold one and then you fold the next over itself.
Yes, like that.
And you're just forming a seal that's going to hold that liquid inside.
Yes, look at all that. See, I'm going with my folding.
The folding. We've done this before in foil, and that works with no problem. There's just, you get this as it steams, that parchment paper kind of puffs, and this technique really just produces, I think, and a lot of people feel, just the flakiest, juiciest, most tender fish possible, and it's just incredible, and it's so much fun, and I'm really stretching here.
I'm almost done. So
it takes longer to do this almost than it does to bake it.
So I've got this right here. A lot of people will just use this little thing and pour in the wine right there if you wanted to, but we poured it on instead. And what you want to do is just twist this so it stays all together.
I think the chefs in France would probably have done that last way you did, where you leave a little opening, pour it in, and then you seal it up.
So
but this works perfectly
do that,
fine
and
for
then
us.
I just tuck it under like that, and there it is, fish.
And she's ready.
Papillote.
Okay, so now we're gonna place
the
that
other one,
on our baking sheet.
Yes, here we go.
And then we're gonna do this other one, so I'll have something to eat too.
Exactly. All right, I'm gonna get
we
this
go.
together.
So I don't think I mentioned the herbs that I was using. So I put 2 sprigs of thyme, fresh thyme, and then 1 sprig of rosemary. Rosemary has she's got a little more of a prominent taste, if you will. So I just went 1 sprig with that.
All right, I think we're good.
Okay, now you've got our oven piping hot at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and this only takes 8 minutes. That's all it takes, and then it's perfectly cooked.
Delicious.
Oh, that smell! It just. And I mean, I feel like I barely had time to comb my hair.
Look at that.
It smells so good.
I want that bad boy right
do
there.
Do you? Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
That is so...
And these are so much fun to serve your guests exactly like this.
Yes.
Because it's the big reveal. It's like you're opening your own package at home on your dinner table. All right, let me move this out of the way.
I'm just going to put yours right on top of here, honey. Right there.
Okay.
Okay,
here we go.
I'm going to open, you're going to open, we're all going to open.
It's the big opening.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that is perfect.
Perfectly cooked. So now all you need to do is just those herbs, the fresh herb, just remove that.
That is amazing. Look at that.
Oh, the smell.
Oh, you want to take my herbs?
Sure, I'll take your herbs.
Thank you.
I normally I don't recommend you fingering your guest's food. But if you've got a loon, it's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to just hit this. I like to hit it with just a little bit of finishing salt. Oh, wow. Isn't that gorgeous? Got a little fresh black pepper.
A little more, yeah, that's right.
Get it on those vegetables.
Oh, you know what? There's some chives there.
Yeah, we got a little. Just top it with some fresh herbs, like chives is a great.
Yay, that looks so
lemon.
Good. You guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that wonderfulness. All right, I'm going to use a little lemon.
Yes.
Ooh, I got a lot of lemon, actually. There we go.
Lemon and fish were made for each other.
Wow, Chris, that looks so good.
And, I mean, literally, like I said, I brushed my hair and it was done. I keep using that action.
All right, let's go to the Papillote.
So flaky and fresh.
Oh, wow. I can't believe that this cooks in that amount of time.
I know, it's amazing.
Oh, wow. All right, hold on. I should have grabbed that.
And it's just got that French smell of butter and wine.
Oh, there we go. Oh, hold.
All right.
Okay,
here we go. How is that possible? In that short amount of time, with those simple, humble ingredients, can make something that's elevated. I don't get it, but I'm gonna eat it.
It's the wine and the butter and
and the steaming. I'm telling you, the steaming in the paper.
So good, y'all. That is.
Those onions. Cooked down. Oh my gosh. And you don't. You could serve this obviously with a rice pilaf, another wonderful vegetable of some sort, but just this by itself, it's
humdinger.
Humdinger.
That is 100,000% Loon approved.
Yes. At the time, the Loon would not be given fish dishes 100%.
This is so good. It's just so, and it's so fresh. So French. So
French.
So French.
And so fresh. And like I said, cod is so easy to get at the store. It's not expensive, and it's not fishy tasting at all.
Just go get some parchment paper and some fish and throw it in the oven.
And have a party.
Yeah.
All right, parchment party. All right, everybody, we love you so much.
Yay, make some fish.
Get packaged. Bye.